In this video, I will show you how to add email signature to your Gmail app without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your phone settings. So I'm going to open up my phone settings right here. After you open up your phone settings, scroll down right here until you get to Google. Go ahead and click on Google right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then simply proceed to your Google account. Proceed with Google account. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and navigate to data and privacy. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google dashboard. Go ahead and open up your Google dashboard. Then here you go. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down under the Gmail section. What you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to simply turn on mobile signature. So at this point here, remove none. Then you can simply enter your name. And you are done. Lastly, go ahead and hit on apply. Your preference has been saved. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this about Gmail topic, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.